guys, this is Hassan from HDFX, and I actually want to do another example of how to use how to incorporate your elite trading skills with basic chart techniques as well. Okay, to give you a little bit more clues of what's going on. Okay, so what I did, this is the monthly chart and this is the 4-hour chart, and I want to talk about what's going on here. So for us at the moment, I will start with the monthly chart. For us, the important trend line for this pair, for this stock, is actually here. Okay, as you can see, this trend line, we have price testing acted as a support. It's a fake break, but support again, support again, support again. Okay, and then finally broken, then the support turns into resistance now. Okay, so resistance and resistance. So for if the price will go up, okay, if this Elliott wave theory confirms, I would not, for example, if you'll have a price going up like this, I will not be buyers here anymore. Okay, this kind of stuff can only help you what? Well, it will help you when to add positions or when to get out of it. Okay, this is how to use it. For example, this was a clear demand zone, what I would like to call it. So demand zone. So in this zone, as you can see, the price came down in 2009. Well, yes, of course it can go down, but here the buyers started to step in. The price, the market failed to close below this. Same here. Price came here. The buyers stepped in again. Buyers this year stepped in again here. Okay. Also in here we have this I cannot call a demand zone, but this I would call a support and resistance. So SR zone. Okay. Now this is a zone where you can see that the market came, rejected, came first rejected, then broken, then act as support, come back support, 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 and it went to our previous trend line, and look where we are now. Now we are here. Market tried one time, 1 month it failed, second month it failed, third month it failed. So if, and it will probably break, when it will break, where do you think the next stop is going to be? Well, it will be most likely this trend line. Okay, this is why it's important. Look, also you can see that there's another support and resistance zone here too. So look, there is no elite trading here, and actually the purpose of this video is not to show you the elite trading here, but for here, look, whatever this move is, this move, by the way, the move that has started, the one from here, so since the pandemic, okay, look, 21 February, we come down, 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 down. I have no idea, but we have this probably a triangle like this. What I would like to call this stuff is a turning point of the chart. So this is this consolidation is a turning point of the chart, and the markets get rejected. Okay. Now, what does this move look like? Well, it looks like we have two options here. So on probably a different degree, it's either a wave A. Okay. So look, it means that something here actually finished. So on a bigger degree, we don't know. I don't know because I didn't count it. But I can see that something has finished here. And here we have a move. Now you may say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I don't have trouble with it. But my problem is this: if this is a wave A or a 1, at this moment I don't know. Why? I don't know, because I don't have account here. So whenever you don't have account here, you cannot just make assumptions and say, oh, it's one or wave A, okay? But what I do know is this move came up, so it's either 1A or 1. And after this, we have a triangle here. Now, if this was a wave 1, you may think, oh, okay, then this is a 2. Well, in Elliott wave theory, you can never have a triangle as a second wave. So, what does this tell you? Well, it means that this is not a wave 1, but a wave A. Now, of course, you can make an argument that this is not a triangle, but and maybe you can be right as well, but as far as I think, this does look like a triangle. And on a lower degree, this is how I would construct this triangle. So I would say, so now we are in one lower degree. So let's use actually red for it. So we can say wave A here, and wave B here, wave C here, okay, and wave D here, okay. And it looks to me like we are in a wave E somewhere. Okay, if that is the case, we will have a B to D trend line. We don't know at the moment if we will have an A and C or C and E. We don't know it yet. If that's the case, if we will see, let's say that we will have an A and C trend line for our triangle, I would like to see this market come. If this is the case, then I would like to see it come and move down and make this A and C trend line not clean anymore. So I would like to see a move something like this and break. And then what I would do is check if this triangle completed, and when this triangle completed, then we will be looking for wave C. This is the upside for a zigzag move. So A, B, C. Okay. Well, if we will move to the C wave up, if we can break this, it means that we will be cleared of this support zone on the monthly. So we will go like this. So after this X wave, after the C wave, maybe even if there is a break here, we will have this retest, and that retest, I'm hoping it will be something like this. Okay, so retest of this support zone, and then we should be clear of. Okay, so that's would be the that plan would be in the ideal world, of course, but you know this is never the ideal world. So, but this is how you can use different stuff. Okay, if I want, I can add to this analysis easily Fibonacci or patterns. Okay, it's you name it, you can do it. Whatever makes you feel more comfortable with your own skin. But when I say your own skin, what I mean your own trading. So whatever makes you more comfortable, you should do it. I'm sure you hear people saying, "Oh, the indicators don't work." Blah blah blah. Yes, indicators maybe don't work by their own, but if you can add to a system, trust me, they work. I've seen so many good, so much better traders than myself use just some methods and make money for it. So in order to make money, you don't just need something specific. Okay, so there's no such thing that says, oh, because you're no elite wave or you will be successful. You can be successful by just using RSI or whatever, if you can find something with it. Now, do I know that? I don't know. But it doesn't mean that you cannot do it. Maybe you can find it and make it work for you. I remember this guy when I was actually like learning this craft. There was this one guy, I don't remember his name. He was making incredible amount of money with just using CCI indicator, and he had some system with CCI indicator and it was working very well for him. So what I'm trying to say, basically, you can put all this stuff together and make a better chance for yourself. So try it, please. And if you have any questions or anything that you see that I did wrong, please contact me so we can argue about it. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one.